In
Is
this
frankincense
experiment,
stronger than kidney
we
stone?
take some
In this experiment, we'll
stone,
investigate, is the
put there,
frankincense stronger than kidney stone, or can frankincense destroy stone similar as kidney stone?
and we get
Frankincense,
some
or
seeds.
olibanum, is the oleogum resin that is harvested from several different trees, an aromatic
And
resin
we will
obtained from
now
trees of the genus Boswellia.
influence to
The word frankincense is
the
derived from the ancient
stone
French name frankincense, meaning
the
pure
same
incense.
in the same way as
Frankincense is also known in Arabic as
trees
Luban.
in
Luban
our
has been
body.
reported to have anti-inflammatory, sedative, antibacterial,
this
and anti-cancer
and wait
activities. The aim of the present study is to treat renal stones with Luban, Boswellia, given as capsules of active oils.
and after
We put stone into water
24
with one piece of
hours,
frankincense
we will see
and wait for
what
2
happens
hours. Let's see what
with
we've got
our
after that
stone.
process has finished. The
Our
frankincense made a hole on the stone.
became soft
Let's watch
and
again.
white.
The most famous
You
recipe
see?
is with incense that
And
dissolves
in the
kidney
stone
stones.
we had a
According to this
hole.
recipe, get a piece of
You
white
see
incense, which
hole,
is broken into small
and the
pieces
same
with a
way
hammer.
the incense
A piece
will
of incense
destroy
is then
the
placed in a
stone in
piece
your
of
body.
bread in the middle and swallowed.
You can
Or put
use
it deep in your throat
incense
and swallow it with
to
water
destroy
or any other drink.
stone in your body.
It is important not to touch the incense and teeth as it can damage the teeth.
Very easy way.
For the next 5 days,
Good luck.
incense is taken on an empty stomach.
And after
According to experience, it takes
24
so long for it
hours,
to dissolve the kidney stone,
we
and
will
then the
see
body expels
what
it.
happened
If nothing happens in
with our
5 days and the stone, broken into pieces, does not
Our
leave the body
incense
through the urinary
became
tract, the
soft
course is continued
and
for another
white.
5 days.
You see?
One should be very careful with
in the
incense,
stone
since it
we
can move
had
and increase
a
the stone.
hole.
That's why
You
it's only
see
used to throw out
hole.
smaller ones.
And the same way
Incense is a medicinal
incense
resin
will
that gives
destroy
favorable
the
results in
stone
other
in your
diseases.
body.
The active
You
medicinal
can
ingredients
use
of incense are
incense
sesquiterpene
to destroy
hydrocarbons,
stone in
monoterpenes,
your body.
diterpenes, and boswellic acids, which have
in
anti-inflammatory
very
action.
easy way. Good luck.